Hi guys! Ito na yung update sa RAM namin. So ready for color na siya guys. And bukas mag-start na sila ng what? Tiles. Okay, so ito. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, punta tayo sa closet area ha. Okay, ito yung closet area. Ayan. Yung bathroom namin. Okay. So, ayan guys. Guwapa.
Yeah.
And look at the view.
So, close to being ready. Oh yeah, it is beautiful out there today, huh? Yeah, he was putting on that last primer.
Oh yeah. That is ready for paint na.
Yep.
So, ayan guys. Ang update ng bahay. I mean, yung kwarto namin. Basta yun na yung order namin na pinto. Tsaka. Okay. Ayan ang view guys. Tigib na nandun, tigib na doon, tigib.